Enjoy your next round with these helpful hints. Even the most seasoned golfer may find that every now and then, a little improvement is needed. Whether you have our longtime figure at your local driving range or have been lurking in the shadows at the 18th hole, the advice in these golfing tips and tricks is sure to help you improve your game. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to keep your eye on the ball when making contact with it, and keep your eyes fixated on where the ball was shortly after hitting it. This is important because it is common for people to want to immediately look and see where their ball went, but many times they may look too soon and end up hitting the ball incorrectly. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you watch out for other players after hitting your ball. It is customary to yell for if it appears as though you may come close to making contact with an individual. Be sure to not yell this if no danger is present. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you allow for moisture conditions when playing. This is important because the wetness of the ground you are playing on will have a direct impact on how your ball bounces and rolls. The wetter it is, the less distance you will get after making contact with the ground. The back swing of a golf swing is just as important as the front swing. It must be gradual and controlled. Amateurs will tend to bring the club back quickly and jerkily with the wrists, which compromises the whole swing. Bring it back in a controlled fashion with the arms to start your swing off right. Remember, accuracy is so much more important than power. This is why some 80-year-olds can outdrive 20-year-olds. Practice with hitting the ball consistently in almost the same spot on the club. This is easy to say or instruct but difficult to do. Simply apply some chapstick or Vaseline to the head of your club and swing. The ball will leave an imprint on the club showing you where the ball was struck. However, don't use this during a game with friends, as this could be considered cheating in a game because it also corrects slices. With a little fresh insight and a willingness to practice your skills, you will undoubtedly notice significant improvements in your putting, driving, and even your sportsmanship. Remember the advice in this video: the next time you are practicing your swing at the local driving range or fighting your way out of the sand trap. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.